Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ruskej Bhosle China. Today topic is sorting technique. Sorting is a process of arranging the elements of array. Sorting so they can face the ascending order or descending order. There are following technique to perform the array. They are following. First is a bubble sort, second is selection sort, and third is a insertion sort. I would like to explain the bubble sort. Bubble sort work on the separately swapping of adjacent element until they are not in certain order. It is called as a bubble sort. In this sorting, the momentum of element like are bubble in the order. We have to see the how to sort array. They are sort in ascending and descending order in a sort method. Ascending order in ascending order they are lowest to highest element in order. Descending order, the descending order are arranging element in highest to lowest order in the elements. The array elements in a bubble sort. Time complexity of the array in bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple sorting technique. The elements are sorted by comparing each pair of elements. This process keeps repeating until a required order of an element is reached. In bubble sort, average case time complexity n2 denotes the time in simple form. Execution will take square time the input space. Second is the selection sort. In this sorting technique, smallest value among the unsorted elements of the array is selected in every pass and is inserted to the appropriate position into array. Two first smallest elements is selected from unsorted array and placed at the first position after the second smallest elements selected and placed at the second position. This process continues until array is continuously sorted. The average and worst case complexity. The selection sort is ON2. The space complexity is a selection sort O1 because is a selection sort is a variable is expired for swapping. The third is insertion sort. It is used to sort elements in ascending order. It is a time complexity max because it checks elements reverse order and place the elements in a proper position. Time complexity of insertion sort, number of time required for program execution, and space complexity, amount of memory required for program execution. This is about the sort technique array. Thank you.